Hello dear fans. What is antonym and synonym? Antonyms and synonyms are used to make speech more expressive. They are polysemantic words, which means that in a particular context, any one meaning is actualized. Synonyms denote the same concept, have the same lexical meaning, but differ in emotional coloring, expressiveness, attachment to a certain style. The enrichment of the language with synonyms goes in different ways. Firstly, within the framework of the laws of individual thinking, secondly, with the consolidation of the national language, and thirdly, thanks to the development of writing in a foreign language. The accumulation of synonyms in the language leads to their differentiation. The nest of synonyms, as the words that belong to one specific group are called, retain their differences in their shades. This is due to their belonging to the vocabulary of various strata of society, different types of speech communication. Sometimes they completely lose their synonymy. An example of this is the Slavicisms. To determine the various shades of synonyms, it is necessary to compare each with the most abstract concepts, pick up antonyms, replace with another synonym, take into account its grammatical structure. Antonyms are opposed to synonyms and represent words of one part of speech, different in sound and spelling, and also having opposite lexical meanings. Antonyms have a fairly broad classification. They are divided according to the type of concepts expressed, in structure and in terms of language and speech. The first category is represented by contradictory correlates, which mutually complement each other, false truth, counter correlates expressing polar values, black gray white, vector correlates expressing the multidirectionality of actions or signs, revolution counter-revolution, conversions describing the same process from different points of view, loose find. Among antonyms, there are no such parts of speech as proper names, pronouns, and numbers. Thanks for watching.